What's up, y'all? Welcome to Cooking with Kay. Today we're going to be making some chicken sauce. Yes. So, yeah, we're going to speed through this video. Right now I'm cutting up some green onions, my favorite. We got some yellow bell peppers and some green bell pepper also, just to bring the flavor out. Yep, in the beginning I had some jalapeno. Right here we're going to be chopping up some cilantro. It's also my favorite. I feel like it brings out a lot of flavor in foods. Just put that away. And we're going to be cutting up some celery. Yeah, so we're making it like I'm making it like a soup, but it's called chicken sauce. It's a down south thing. I'm also going to be adding some carrots, baby carrots. I just take a few of them and cut them in half. Just like that. Yeah, I love vegetables in my food. And you know we can't make no sauce without no onions. You got to put some onions in there. Yes. And these are just yellow onions. Chop, chop, chop. All right, now, as you can see, I got potatoes back there in some water, tomato paste, chicken broth, ketchup. There's my pot of veggies. Got to add the veggies. All right here, I'm cleaning my chicken and just showing my seasonings again. Okay, right there. We're going to separate the chicken, clean the pot, clean that chicken. It looks good and fresh. All the bones have dropped out of the meat. Add half a pot of water, and then I'm going to add an entire container of chicken broth. And then we're going to add our seasonings, Jamaican jerk spice, some Lorry's. That is minced onion, I believe. Yes. And we got some complete seasoning, garlic, onion. Also some Creole seasoning. And I like to just sit my seasonings right on top of the water and just let it fall down into the meat. To me, I feel like... Oh, yeah, I also added some lemon pepper. And this is me just adding the tomato paste. I feel like the tomato paste just give it a rich, thick texture. And on here, I didn't show it, but I did add the entire bottle of hot sauce. And I don't know if I'm showing... Oh, look at them. Look at them vegetables. Look at them vegetables. Come on. Come on, Kay. But yeah, I added an entire bottle of hot sauce, entire thing of ketchup. Look at that. Look at the flake. Look at the flavor. You could taste the screen. Come on. Stop playing with me. Look at that. And it was so good. When I tell you this was so good, fall off the bone good. Y'all know who it is. K Reactions. There it is. Plate it up.